Hello friends, welcome to the second part of this video series. If you have not watched the previous video, I will recommend you watch it first before watching this video, because we will continue our discussion on electronic systems and subsystems. In this video, we will discuss a little bit more about the electronic subsystems. We will first discuss about the input sensor and the output devices. So the processing unit of an electronic system can only process electrical signals. Therefore, the input sensing unit convert non-electrical signals into electrical form. For example, a light sensor is used to convert the light, which is non-electrical signal, into electrical form, that is in form of voltage or current. The input sensing unit can be subdivided into two types, that is digital and analog type. Digital type input unit can only have either 0 volt or plus 5 volt, as can be seen in the figure. The 0 volt is called the low level or is represented by 0 in binary. The plus 5 volt is called the high level and is represented by 1 in binary. Your computer or mobile phones are all digital devices. So the input sensor unit, like the keyboard or the touch screen, can convert the input into digital form, that is 0 and plus 5 volt or 0 and 1s. On the other hand, the analog type input units can have any value between two voltage level, that is 0 volt and 5 volt, depending on the input signal level. The supply voltage in our home is analog in nature. So the light bulb and the other such devices are analog devices. Now these are some of the input units and their type, along with a short explanation of their action or operation. For example, switch unit is a digital input unit and it detects the pressure applied to it. The output signal goes high, that is plus 5 volt, when the switch is pressed. Similarly, light sensing unit is an analog input unit which detects light. The output signal increases with the increase in light intensity or level. The input voltage unit, also called as tachometer, and is generally installed in cars to measure the speed. It is used to detect rotation. So the output signal increases as the dial or the wheel is rotated in clockwise direction. Moisture sensor is again analog and is used to measure the moisture level. So when it starts to rain and the moisture level increases, the output signal also increases. Temperature sensor is also analog and is used to measure the temperature. When the temperature increases, the output signal level also increases. Reed or magnetic switch is used to detect magnetic field. So when magnet is near it, the two pins get connected, as you can see in the animation, and the output signal goes high. Sound input unit is basically a microphone which is used to detect sound or noise. The output signal increases as the noise level increases. Pulse generator are used to generate continuous stream of pulses. The number of pulses per second can be increased or decreased by rotating a switch. The next subsystem that we are going to discuss is the output unit. The signal coming out of the signal processing unit is either high or low. This electrical signal is then converted into some other form by the output unit. For example, light bulb, which convert the electrical signal into heat and light energy. Now, most of the input sensing unit cannot supply sufficient current to directly drive the output unit. Therefore, we need a drive or output switching device to boost the voltage signal from the input sensing unit. We will study about them in the next class. Similar to the different type of input unit, we have several output units, and their action or working is explained in this slide. Lamp unit is used to convert electrical signal into light. LED unit is similar to lamp unit. The only difference is instead of lamp or light bulb, you have an LED, which is more efficient than the light bulb and consumes less energy. That is why we use LED nowadays instead of light bulb in our home. So LED unit is also used to convert electrical output signal into light. Buzzer unit is used to convert electrical signal into sound. Motor unit is used to convert electrical signal into rotational motion, or basically drive a motor. Solenoid unit is used to convert electrical signal into linear motion, that is along XY direction. It can be used as a valve as shown in the animation to control the flow of water in the pipe. So this is the end of second part. In the next video, we will discuss about the processing unit. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.